Hey, my rich babes, come with me on a luxe day. I went to the Waldorf Astoria in Washington, D.C. It is a beautiful hotel, but I just visit the spa that they had. Girl, when I say luxury down to the T, I'm gonna tell you, this was amazing. For $100, I was able to spend all day using their amenities, getting the pampering that I wanted. When I say it was so nice and relaxing and quiet, baby, it was so quiet. The champagne, the treats, I had a soak salt bath. When I say I was just giving myself the time to just reflect, looking at magazines with multi-million dollar home prices, baby. Though I am working to become a multimillionaire, never allow your circumstances to dictate where you want to be in the future. So, with that being said, I went on to the relaxation area where it was a beautiful waterfall. They gave me more treats, and that banana was, I'm telling you, it tasted very expensive, okay? Including the water. It's like, no. But no, it was good though. I ain't gonna lie. It was such a wonderful experience. And guess what, y'all? This was $100, okay?